So we have 5 stocks heavily talked about on Reddit. It's been squeezing and still squeezing almost 1 week right now, and we're gonna discuss where the profit taken and where the short will come. So we take a profit, we be ready to re-enter and reload around the support institution will buy at. This is the name of the game at the moment. So let's get right to it and discuss first this stock. We ticker symbol is WTRH. So for this one, you can see it is still bumping since 6th of July. We see that we did almost 200%, and as you can see it here is up 120 in ranking, and this means there's a lot of redditors talking about it, and there is some volatility happening at the moment. Is there room to have another price jump, another 200%, 100%, whatever? We're gonna discuss it now because we have support around the 0.29. Gonna see the price go up around the 0.58, going down. However, we should hold above the 0.4045 in order to continue to the second profit taking, which is the 0.80 cents before the $1. So the most important thing is holding above the 0.29 to confirm this price action movement. The second one, we have EVFM. Of course, we talked about before. This one is still jumping crazy and still holding after after the reverse split that we did around the 6th of May. And at the moment, we're still holding the $1. What we said last time, we need to hold the $1 in order to have another try to overcome the $1.51. You know what's happening here? There's a crazy short sellers are shorting the stock around the $1.51. That's why a lot of redditors interested by the stock. You know why? When there is a lot of short seller interested in stocks, there is a chance for short squeeze. And you can see it here is number 1 on the most heavily talked about stock shorted squeeze or squeeze play stock on Reddit. So that's why the price is still holding above the $1, and the $1, for my opinion, $1.50 is the squeeze area. If we overcome it, is mean the buyers, the apes, whatever you want to call them, the price will continue toward the $2.17. Okay, the next one we have APRN. The same thing is heavily talked about in Reddit. However, this one we see the short are won the game because we have met our expansion average. We see this rejection around the $5. The price went down. However, we're still holding the $3.85 support. If we continue to hold above the $3.85, like EVFM, we're gonna have recovery for the price to go around the $7.04. Okay, 04. Okay, we need to hold above the $3.85 to confirm one thing: we don't have a sell-off. Because if you see the big picture, we're still downtrending heavily. The moment that we hold and clear the $7, we enter a bullish trend. At the moment, we're still heavily shorted. So what the game plan? Holding above here, the $3.85 consolidation. This will mark the squeeze. There's a metaphor for this, is cooking on the slow fire, you know. So if this happened, we have a accumulation, is mean the squeeze is being cooked on really slow fire, and the price will jump around the $7. Okay, the next one we have FFIE, and this one is still holding pretty good. We have the price went down and we have a wick. That's mean the people buying the dip for this one, because see what's happened. We have crazy 1, 2, 3, 4 days big buying pressure, then we have a bit selling pressure, but now we're still accumulating and holding above the $5. So for this one, if we're still holding above the $5.17, this will confirm the continuation for the $7.50. The same, the other one is $7.50, the other one $7. What's happening? All the stocks want to go toward the $7. So the $7 will confirm the bullish trend continuation, and of course the $7 where the shorts are having a big line of defense. They have everything in their arsenal to protect their wall. So the apes try to break this wall around the $7. Last one, we have ATER. We have many people talking about ATER and the squeeze that will happen, and this one as well is being cooked on really slow fire for days, man. The moment that you cook something for a long time, you're gonna taste really good food. So for this one, you're gonna taste a really good chunk of gains. If the squeeze will happen for ATR pretty soon, is holding above this ascending line to confirm that we're gonna have a squeeze. And the first line of resistance or defense for short sellers is the $3. Of course, the $3, we need to overcome it, just test it to see what's gonna happen. If we get rejected, this means we're not ready yet, but we need to hold above this ascending line, the $2.40, in order to confirm going around the $4, which is the squeeze area, for my opinion, toward again the $7. So the $7 is the lucky 7 number for 3 stocks. So I think this is not a coincidence. I don't know. Tell me if this is a coincidence or not. If a coincidence, let me know in the comment section below why 3 stocks have the same profit taken around the $7 or the squeeze price for them. So let me know which one will go to the $7 first. So hit the notification and blast the like button so you never miss any of my future updates, and see you in the next video.